Children, you have learned how to subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing in the previous video. In this video, we will see some examples to perform subtraction with borrowing, listening to the conversation between Chichi and Chuchu.
Chichi, let's decorate the house by making a bouquet of these 34 roses. Yes, let's make it. I will make a bouquet of 17 flowers and you make a bouquet with the remaining flowers. If you will make a bouquet with 17 flowers of the 34 flowers, then how many flowers would be left for me to make a bouquet? Let's subtract 17 from 34. Yes, first of all, we will write these numbers in the box of ones, tens and then perform the subtraction. But here we cannot subtract 7 from 4 in the box of ones. So, we will borrow 1 10 from 3 tens in the box of tens. Yes, so now we will write 14 ones instead of 4 in the box of ones and 2 tens instead of 3 tens in the box of tens. Now, first of all, if we will subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 from 14 in the place of ones, then we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 left in the place of ones. Now look here. If we subtract 1 10 from 2 tens, then we will have 1 10 in the box of tens. Yes, so this way, if I make a bouquet with 17 flowers from 34 flowers, then you too will have 17 flowers left to make a bouquet. Oh wow! We would have the same number of flowers. Now let's both make a bouquet like this by taking all our flowers together. Oh, look! These beautiful bouquets are ready. Let's put these in that flower vase. Wow! It looks beautiful. Okay, Chichi, now I have to go. Yes, see you.
Children, I hope you have learned how to subtract two-digit numbers with borrowing a little better with the help of this video. In the next video, we will understand what mistake does Chichi make while performing subtraction with borrowing.